Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to have a multi-line bio on Instagram. So as you can see here, I kind of have 3 different lines there. It looks very clean and more professional. You can also highlight things as your other social media. It just kind of looks organized and clean. So I've had a couple questions about how to do this, and it's actually really easy to do on your mobile phone. So we'll start with an iPhone first, and then we'll go to an Android next. So all I need to do on my iPhone is simply go to my profile in the Instagram app, select Edit Profile, and then as you can see, it'll have the bio here. I'm just going to select into it, and then I can edit it. Now, the biggest hurdle is there is no enter button or return key that allows me to go to the next line. So the best way I found to actually get to the next line is to simply use the microphone down here. So I'm going to select the microphone, and all you need to say is new line. So watch this. New line. Now I can go back to the keyboard, type some text, but I can delete that, and I can type whatever I want to. Go to done. Done. Now when I go back to my profile, you can see that a new line has been added to my bio. So you can just do that over and over to add multiple lines to your bio on Instagram using an iPhone. Now on an Android phone, it's a little bit different, but very similar. So you have to go to your profile again on Instagram in the app, select Edit Profile, and then select your bio. But on my keyboard, I do have a return key right there, that little blue button. So if I hit that, it'll create a new line, and I can type whatever I want and add multiple lines just like this. Now, if for some reason you don't have this enter button or return button on your keyboard, you can use the microphone again, but it's a little bit different. You have to say period new line. So let me show you how to do that. I'll hit the microphone, period new line. And just like that, it's added a new line. I can type whatever I want, and then I can go up to that other line that added the period and delete the period, and then save my bio, save my profile, go back, and then as you can see, 3 more lines have been added to my bio on Instagram. All right, so that's how you create a multi-line bio on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.